this video we are going to look at the continuation of algebraic process. Now let's look at the problem. Let's say this question: solve 3x over 4 negative 7 over 3 is equals to 17 over 12. How are we going to solve this? Alright, now let's solve it. Step 1, we have to look for step 1 solution. What are we going to do next? We're going to say what's the LCM of 4, 3 and 12. So we can write our equation back to say this is 3x over 4 negative 7 over 3 is equals to 17 over 12. So what is the LCM? The LCM of this is 12. The next we're going to say multiply all through by 12. Multiply all through by 12, which is the LCM. Multiply by 12 is the LCM. So next we can say this is 3x over 4, just writing the question back, minus 7 over 3 is equals to 17 over 12. So let's multiply all through by 12. We can say 12 times 3x over 4 minus 12 times 7 over 3 is equals to 12 times 17 over 12, just like this. So next we can say 4 in 12 is 3. This is 3 times 3x minus 3 in 12 is 4 times 7. So next is equals to 12 in 12 is 1 times 17, just like this. So next we can say 3 times this will give us 9x minus 4 times 7 times 4 is 28. Is 28 is equals to 1 times 17 is 17. So just like that. So next we're going to say collect like terms. Collect like terms simply means that all the x should come one side and all the y and all the constant number should come one side. So next we can say 9x negative 28 is equals to 17, just writing the same question. So if we collect like terms here, we can say this is 9x is equals to 17, bring this here, becomes positive 28, just like this. So next we can say 9x is equals, once you add these two, we have 45 as the answer here. So since the value of x we are looking for, next we can say divide both side by what? By the coefficient of x, which is 9. So this is 9x is equals to 45, then 9x here is equals to 45 divided by 9, just like this. So 9 will cancel 9 here, so we have x is equals to 9 in this, 9 in 45, we're going to get 5 as our final answer. So that is how to solve an equation when we have a fraction.